What's up everyone, welcome back to EightyFive TheRide. Today we are here at the 46th Annual Bikers for Kids Newcastle Charity Toy Run for 2023. An amazing event for us motorcycle enthusiasts for an even greater cause. Helping over 4,000 families with donated toys for Christmas, it's no wonder why this is one of Newcastle's longest running and still growing events in its history. Starting back in 1978 with around 20 motorcycles to today reaching over 12,000. A short ride starting in Stockton and finishing at Carrington, with the streets filled with families and children high-fiving and cheering on bikes as they roll past, making the ride a truly unique experience. So I began the day with my partner on the back of the bike, meeting a few of our fellow EightyFive TheRide members at our local meet spot in Cameron Park, before heading to Stockton for the event. So join us and enjoy some of the footage of this historical event from the perspective of a participating motorcyclist.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he